Alright guys, so I'm doing a review on these Enlightened roasted broad bean chips. These are Sriracha flavored. These were on sale, okay? So they were really inexpensive. They were pretty cheap. They usually went for like, this is a box. They are about like $4 a piece generally, and I got them for like two. So yeah, it was a really good deal. So um, check this out. You got 21 grams of protein, high fiber, gluten-free. Um, Here's the side. Here's the back. If you guys want to read the nutrient panel, pause the video. Yeah, so you can get these at your like local grocery store in the health aisle. So, and if you're lucky, like I said, you can get them on sale. So, if you ever, broad beans are actually really tasty if you've never had them. That's what they look like. Here's the package. So it does come in with a sealable pack. And they also make a, I think that is a dairy-free, sort of gluten-free ice cream sort of thing. So, as well. So there's the ingredients again. Alright, let's open this up and I'll do a quick taste test. Alright, so here it is all opened up. As you can see, they're seasoned. Let me show you what one looks like. There it is. There's the bean. Let's try them out. So it's not spicy at all, but it's got a nice flavor. Okay, never mind. I was wrong. The spice hits you a little bit later, but it's tolerable. Definitely check it out, guys. It's like eating like a bag of flavored almonds. That's basically what it sort of tastes like. So, if you have any questions, comments, post them below, and subscribe to the channel.